Stellantis premium French brand, DS Automobiles, has officially unveiled its newest creation, the DS Degree 4, a chic and futuristic evolution of the outgoing DS4. With this reveal, DS Automobiles continues its push to distinguish itself as a standout in the crowded European hatchback segment. The Degree 4 isn't just a rebadge. It's a refined, electrified, and elevated redesign that signals DS's long-term ambition to lead in style and sophistication. Let's start with the aesthetics. At first glance, the DS Degree 4 grabs attention with its sleek and illuminated front fascia. Gone is the more conservative look of the DS4, now replaced with a light-up grille and a glowing DS badge, giving it a sharp, high-tech face that makes it instantly recognizable at night. This revised front-end design, influenced by the brand's flagship DS Degree 8, brings the hatch a step closer to the realm of premium sedans. The bumper has been completely reworked, with a wider-looking intake that adds visual aggression. A subtle but important change is the hood extension by 12 millimeters, which now covers a portion of the grille, making the entire front feel longer and more fluid. Side-on, the DS Degree 4 maintains its sporty, sloping hatch profile, now complemented by 19 or 20-inch wheels and a floating roof design that can be optioned in a contrasting black finish for added drama. At the rear, the updates are more restrained. New darkened trims and fresh badging modernize the design without losing the DS identity. It's still unmistakably French, but now with a bolder, more confident flair. Inside, DS maintains its luxurious roots. The layout will be familiar to DS4 owners, but now with upgraded tech, including a larger 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10-inch central infotainment system. Higher trims promise a rich interior experience, with Alcantara, Criollo brown Napa leather, and brown ashwood trim giving off a boutique, handcrafted vibe. Add features like heated seats, a wireless smartphone charger, and a 14-speaker focal sound system, and you've got one of the most refined interiors in its class. When it comes to powertrains, the DS Degree 4 offers 3 electrified choices: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and a fully electric model, the Degree 4 E-Tense. The E-Tense version packs a 58.3 kilowatt-hour battery and a single electric motor that delivers 210 horsepower and 253 lb-ft of torque. With a WLTP range of 280 miles, it's well suited for both urban commuting and longer journeys. Even better, it supports 120 kilowatts DC fast charging, allowing for a 20% to 80% top-up in just 30 minutes. Next is the plug-in hybrid, now fitted with a 14.6 kilowatt-hour battery and a combined output of 222 horsepower. It's not just efficient, it's faster too, with a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 7.1 seconds, shaving off 0.3 from the older model. Most importantly, it delivers 50 miles of electric-only driving, perfect for daily use. For those who prefer a more traditional driving experience with a hybrid twist, the Degree 4 hybrid features a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine paired with an integrated electric motor. It delivers 143 horsepower and can run in pure electric mode up to 50% of the time in urban settings, depending on traffic and driving style. While compact in size, practicality hasn't been forgotten. Luggage space varies slightly by model: 430 liters in the hybrid, 360 liters in the PHEV, and 390 liters in the EV. Still plenty for urban living or weekend getaways. The DS Degree 4 is a statement piece, elegant, advanced, and versatile. Whether you're an eco-conscious city driver or someone who simply appreciates French flair, this hatchback is now more desirable than ever. With DS aiming to blend luxury design with cutting-edge electrification, the Degree 4 could easily become a category-defining compact for 2025.